Tony Micromep here with a pre-market recap. Hope you all had a lovely night. Let's take a look at the futures to start off the video. So let me sort this by symbols here. So we have the 10-year up 7 bips. So interest rate continued to climb to 4.72. The market is under a lot of pressure. I think we had some news. GDP increased at a 1.6 rate in the first quarter, less than expected. 10-year yield leaps to the highest level in more than 5 months after GDP report. And I also think we got a little bit of, see what else we have here. Dow futures dropped 400 points after downbeat U.S. GDP report. Let's see what else we got here in the news here. Oil prices pull back as U.S. economic growth disappoints. I thought we had some numbers on unemployment. Actually, something I should have probably done here. Let's go to chat rooms. And we'll go to global news. Let's see. European Commission plans to propose a ban on transshipments of Russian LNG in the next Russia sanction package. Caterpillar CEO says company continues to expect demand in North America will remain healthy in 2024 for both non-residential and residential construction. I owe you this information from yesterday. Anglo-American investor Red Wheel says the buyout proposal from BHP does not reflect the value of Anglo-American's assets or growth pipeline. That was a minor merger. News yesterday, but I couldn't find it. American Airlines CEO says network was uniquely impacted by increased industry capacity in Q1, but they expect that to moderate in the quarters ahead. GDP 1.6, lower than the expectation of 2.4. U.S. core PCE prices advance, and I think this is what's causing the market to go down, not the GDP, because the market wants bad news so the junkies can get cheaper rates and cheaper money, so they can continue to speculate and drive the markets, etc. So PCE advanced to 3.7 in the first quarter. Expectation was 3.4, so it came in hotter. GDP deflator advanced 3.1 versus expectation of 3. PCE prices advanced 3.4. Previous was 1.8. Let's see what else we got. Initial jobs were 207, underneath unemployment claims were underneath the expectation of 215. So that's good news for the work environment, bad news for the money junkies, because that means that the Fed has to raise rates. Higher rates means more expensive money for the junkies, the money junkies, the bankers. So that was the news that's causing the markets to gyrate this morning. Let's take a look at the dollar. The dollar should be up. Flat at 105.85. Foreign currencies are mixed bag. I have no foreign currency. They're all fiat paper currencies. No bueno. Don't care for them. We have Bitcoin down 450 to 63.5 basically. Oil up a smidge to 83 bucks almost. S&P down 62 handles to 50.45. Ether down 20 to 31.11. Gold up 390 to 23.42. Now mind you, only 100 bucks off the high. Copper up 10 to 4.55. Small caps down 20, 1986. NASDAQ down 275 to 17,388. Dow Jones down 425, 38255. Natural gas down 3 cents to 195. Silver up 12 cents to 27.50. Basically, VIX up 50 cents to 16.50 almost. Corn flat, soybeans down 10 cents, wheat up 3 cents. And those are your futures. Let's take a look at market movers, earnings. So we know that Meta's down 15% this morning. Microsoft is down $10, almost 3%. They have earnings after the bell. American Airlines up 3.5%. Snapchat down 5% in correlation to Meta. IBM down 10%. I don't know what this one is. Airship. Newmont Mining up $1.70, up 4%. Southwestern Airlines down 8%. All right. So today after the bell we have. So this is today's reports. Big movers in the morning. We have Marine Max down 13%. I think they make boats. Yeah, they make boats. Textron down 11%. WEX down 8%. Southwestern Airlines down 7%. Caterpillar down 6%. Snapchat down 5%. Google is after the bell. They have down 4%. Hertz down 4%. They stated they're going to sell 30,000 EVs, and they had a big loss in a quarter. What is on the upside? ULBI, don't know who they are. TransUnion, the credit card company. Lincoln Electrical Holdings up 8%. Strategic Education up 7%. TAL up 5%. AstraZeneca up 5%. Carrier, the AC company, up 5%. Sonic Automotive up 5%. Newmont up 4%. Mobileye up 4%. Sanofi, I think I said it wrong, but that's a biotech, up 3%, and American Airlines up, which I mentioned it. So we have the big ones today: Microsoft and Google after the bell, and that's pretty much what we have. We have a lot of pressure in the stock market. Let's take a look at the Investor Business Daily chart on the SPY. So we're still under that 50-day moving average. We got a little bounce there. So we have pressure today. It's not going to look good. The Qs still under that 50-day moving average. It seems to be rolling over. The higher interest rates are not going to help. We'll see what Google and Microsoft do today after the bell. Those are big percentages of the S&P and NASDAQ. That Magnificent 7. So we'll see what happens. So trade safely. Might be a good day to be active. I think it's going to be a good day to be active. I definitely will try if work permits. Been busy this week, thank the Lord. I got to do a video on used car prices so you guys can check out what I have to wholesale. Like the channel, subscribe, comment below, share with your friends that are interested in finance or trading, or just engage with the markets on a daily basis. Anyways, God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.